the maiden voyage. Here we go. All right, I got the customer coming today. I gotta get this freaking trunk that hasn't been opened up in freaking 7 years. I gotta get this thing opened up so he can bring this thing back to his campground, show it to his mom, let his mom drive it and all that stuff. We have got to get this thing opened up, finished up, cleaned up, and revealed to the customer all within, about an hour ago. Cleaned everything up in that sense.
Oh yeah.
So she's looking a little prettier.
Looking a lot nicer.
I'm at the very end of this. I need to get into the damn trunk. Customer does not have the keys. This trunk has not been opened in 7 years. I don't know what's in it, but I need to get into it because I ended up doing the brake light switch and all that, and I've got to get to that side so I can actually get new bulbs in it, see what's going on. I have one working tail light. That is it. I need to get into that trunk, period. I need to get into the trunk. So to get that little booger to actually open, here's what we're gonna do. We are gonna do a stepped version of drill bits here. We're gonna go 1/8 inch, 3/32, and then I'm gonna go to a full 1/4 inch. The biggest thing that I wanna make sure is I'm gonna be right down the middle of where the key is because that's where the little tumblers are gonna be. So I wanna make sure I go right down the middle. I am not gonna go full blown out, ham out on a freaking 1/4 inch. If I start rolling this outer portion, I'm gonna start ovaling the actual body. This whole thing will start spinning. Man, it's all bolted in and all that. The torque from this thing, it can happen. I've done it. That's why I'm telling you this. I've done it. We are not drilling fast. Drill it slow. You want to make sure you're right in the middle. And we want to drill right down the center. Notice how it's free spinning now? Now I know I ended up getting into the tumblers. You can hear it kind of biting and all of a sudden it just starts free spinning. Now we're gonna change the bit out. Yeah, you can hear how maybe 1 or 2 tumblers are still kind of sitting there biting. I mean, we can get it to turn, but I'm waiting for the click. Yeah, we're not getting it. I had to grab a different, gotcha, screwdriver. Aha! There we go. There's the bulb to it right there. Holy crap, look at that. That would be the reason why it wasn't working. It wasn't even plugged in and it was smashed. But there's the rest of it. Looks like an old convertible top, some other odds and ends. All I gotta do now is spend probably 60 bucks and I'll be able to get a brand new lock, key, everything. So he'll be able to open his trunk, do what he needs to do. I'll be able to fix that stupid little tail light and get things working here, get him on the road, biff, bam, boom, we are all done. Alrighty, so we finally got Kyle down here checking out his Mustang, checking everything out. Finally gets to see this thing as a done product. Go ahead and pop the hood, man. Like I said before, where it was cleaned everything up in that sense.
Oh yeah.
So she's looking a little prettier.
Looking a lot nicer. Power steering.
Now the big thing that I was telling you about, that where I was noticing some noises and we might want to do something on the water pump, take the fan.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
wow,
and I've already gone through and I've tightened up the bolts and everything.
Okay.
That I believe might be in the water pump. Because when I saw that, I'm going, yeah. So that has probably been for a while. Got your new cap on it and all that. I blew out the whole front of the radiator.
Okay.
Because I don't know how much bug goop and crap you had stuffed in there. So I actually just power washed out the front grill.
Okay.
Just to get you by. Let's see how it works.
All right.
But yeah. And then, like I say, if you want to grab your keys, you can actually pop the trunk now. That was fun. Taking a drill to the back end of the car and.
New steering wheel, so it's not crossing anymore.
I was gonna say horn works. Yeah, you didn't. Did you see the last video I did with me and the boy?
Nah, I haven't.
We were getting shocked by your freaking steering wheel. If you put your leg against the door latch and grab the horn, it literally would shock you. Like, I'm sitting there and the boy's looking at me, he's laughing at me. And I was like, you get your butt over here. And all of a sudden, he ends up doing, I just put that one up Tuesday and then found out that the wiring in there was going against a bolt, so I insulated it and all that crap. So you won't get shocked. But yeah, the trunk, this was dirty as all could be.
Oh,
and
yeah.
then these were your goofy connections here. We switched those out. That already had somebody go through and butt connect it and all that. But like I said, everything works now. Now your taillights work, brake lights work. Yeah, you're good to go in that sense. But holy cow. Yeah, I don't know how long this thing has been just kind of relaxing.
Yeah.
Because it seems like it's been a long time. Because like I said, when I was looking at the date on the tires going, these are like turn of the century. Holy crap. You know, and then it was just enough stuff. As soon as you said, like Memorial Day, you know, she gets a bath on Memorial Day, we go out, we drive it, and she gets put away.
Yeah.
So I thought, okay, now I know what's going on with the car.
Yeah.
But I'd say we rolled back the calendar a little bit on it. But yeah, Papa Squat, like I said, that steering wheel also is another inch smaller.
Oh.
So it should be a little easier to get into it.
Don't have to suck in.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. New carpet.
Mm-hmm.
Lot cleaner.
It's a little bit better. It's a little bit better. And the wheel, to me, it feels so much nicer than the other one. And the fact that the horn works.
Not falling apart anymore.
No. I got the old one if you want it. I got it sitting over there if you want a keepsake, but
Oh.
if not, she's going in the dumpster. But you can see now why I was like, why don't you go down to a smaller wheel? Because once you drive it, you're going to see what I mean. You didn't need the big wheel. The big wheel was just so you could turn something that was manual steering.
Yeah.
This is way better. Way better. Wish the radio worked.
No.
No, I don't know how long your radio has not worked. I'm looking at it going, I can make it work. And I was like, no.
Got Bluetooth speakers for that.
Hey, it works, man, at that point. Throw a speaker in it, call it a day.
Nice.
But yeah. So you're driving this thing back? No.
No, not quite.
Well, you want to take her first spin?
Yeah, absolutely.
You got time?
Yep.
Okay.
Not straining at all.
No, it's nice in that sense.
Not getting shocked by the steering wheel. So far, not dive bombing to the left when I hit the
Oh,
brakes.
you're gonna be happy. You're gonna be happy. Now, like I said, you'll notice the creaks and all that stuff. That's why it's like you go around a corner, it's like it needs shocks and struts.
Mm-hmm.
But for right now, this thing it's a night and day difference in this car.
Come on.
Oh, I'm just happy to get some air. Holy crap. Woo!
How's your hair doing back there?
Very good.
I was gonna say I could have gave you a ball cap. But you can see what I mean? You can just 2 fingers now.
Really?
Compared to what it was, it just, and the alignment, I'll show you the paper that they gave me on this. They had to do a lot out of the passenger front,
Oh, okay.
like a degree and a half. You let go of the wheel, that thing just wanted to go right.
Yep.
So I was like, holy cow.
So that was compensated for the dive bomb to the left.
Could be. Like I say, they're a little, not super touchy, but it's gonna stop.
Glad I don't have to two-handed
brace for it.
steering wheel.
Start turning right so you can turn left. And normal with any brand new brake setup, you don't want to get on them super freaking hard. You want to actually let them take a set.
Not mash into the floor.
Oh
anymore.
no, you definitely can tell this thing will lock them up like that.
Oh, night and day. Like I said, not dive bombing into the other oncoming traffic. Steering wheel is smooth.
Should hopefully be a pleasure to drive again.
Absolutely.
Like I was saying, you were saying what? Mom, Grandma, hasn't driven this thing in how long?
It's been a while. It's been a while.
Gotta let her drive this thing, man. I don't
Mhm.
see why she can't drive this and enjoy it.
I'm taking it to her right now.
Heck yes, man. Heck yes. Well, enjoy. Hopefully everything is what you hope for.
Absolutely.
All right, you guys. Well, we are taking off. I got more to work on. You guys all know that stuff. So until we meet again, my friends, see you on the flip side. Woo!